Hey, welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. And oh, I got a good recipe today. This is a game changer. This one is called Dirty Mashed Cauliflower. So instead of mashed potatoes, we're doing a keto version using the cauliflower. I had to thank Sam, the cooking guy. I saw him making it, and he said how much he really loved it, and I was like, there's no way it could be that good. I'm doing a pot roast, a dirty pot roast recipe at the same time right after this, and this with that is gonna be, oh my God, and let's get started. Okay, here's a recipe here. We've got the cream cheese, we have some butter, cauliflower, I'm using fresh garlic, folks, Parmesan Romano cheese, the shredded kind, we're gonna put that in here, some olive oil, and we're using the original dirt. Oh yeah, because the original dirt is good on what?
Everything.
Everything. Let's get started. So I'm going to show you how to cut the cauliflower. And we're going to pull this back. And we're going to cut right down on the core. Look at that. So all in one piece. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to cut it in half. Cut it again in half. You can see the core right here, so you want to cut on a slight angle down right into there. You can see that. Cut that away. Look how that falls off. Now you have beautiful pieces, and you want to try to break them off. All the florets roughly in the same pieces, and that's how you do it. And you do it each piece until you're done. Getting this heated up, and we are going to first start off with the chicken stock. Josh, what do I do with the chicken stock? I can't find the chicken stock. Oh my goodness, there it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some chicken stock in here. We're going to cook the cauliflower in chicken stock. So not going to be vegan friendly. If you want to steam it, that would work perfectly fine. I have found for me to use chicken stock in here adds a lot of flavor into the cauliflower, and that's what we're going to do. All right, so we are going to fill this up. We're going to go probably 2 cups of chicken stock, and we're going to heat that and let that boil. Okay, so you can see the florets are basically the same size. You've got the chicken stock that is boiling really nice, and then you just put them right inside here. We're gonna let this go for about 10 minutes. You definitely wanna put a fork in there until it's fork tender and it just slides in really nice and easy, just kind of like a potato. Okay, so now we're gonna add, we've got the florets are all done, it's all ready to go. Now we're gonna throw some butter in here. Okay, so now the butter is melted. And we're going to put 1.5 cloves of garlic in here. And then we're going to put the Todd's dirt, about a tablespoon. We're going to mix that up really, really well, just until it gets hot. Just when it flows, about 10 to 15 seconds, and then we're going to take this right off the heat. So now we're going to put the florets in a bowl. And then we're going to take this, the butter, olive oil, the garlic, the original dirt, all that is going to go right there. And then we're going to put another piece of butter in there. We're going to put 2 ounces of cream cheese, just a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to put about, for what we have in here, about 3/4 a cup of Parmesan cheese. Just get a taste, whatever you decide. Here we go, Josh.
Oh, this will be fun.
Oh yeah, it always is. I'm using a hand mixer instead of a food processor because I just have found that this looks a lot more like mashed potatoes. Okay, now we get to try these. They look beautiful. And let's try them. You know that's not mashed potatoes, but it's pretty darn close. So try this for your friends and family. If you're on a low carb diet, or keto would work well. If you're vegan, do it, just steam it instead of using the chicken broth. But I think the chicken broth does help a lot. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Check out our toddsdirt.com. Check out all our videos, on toddsdirt.com. You can actually print out these recipes. They're all there broken down. And check out our future videos, and I hope you liked it. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.